Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toddler toys is probably one of the most exciting and challenging purchases a parent can make, as you want to find items that are not only fun and engaging for your little one but also safe, durable, and conducive to their developmental milestones. We've scoured the market to bring you a curated selection of top-rated toys that will spark imagination, encourage learning through play, and provide hours of entertainment for your curious 2-year-old, ensuring they have the tools they need to explore and grow. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad for Kids and Baby. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our innovative splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little ones. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them have endless fun under the cooling sprinklers. Keep your children cool and safe with our parent-approved outdoor water toys. This shallow wading pool is BPA and phthalates-free for worry-free play. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing pool. As a proud American company, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not satisfied, our customer care team is here to help. What we like? This is a fantastic option for parents who want to combine fun with early learning. If you are looking for a safe and engaging way for your little one to cool off while also absorbing some basic knowledge, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to make learning a splashy adventure. What people say. The toy is designed with smooth edges and non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for toddlers. It features multiple interactive buttons that play different sounds and songs, keeping children engaged. The durable construction withstands rough play, making it a long-lasting toy. Number 4. Skoolzy Peg Board Set. Introducing a versatile set designed for early childhood development. It's perfect for Montessori schools, homeschooling, or simply enriching playtime at home. These vibrant stacking toys are designed for children aged 2 and up. They make wonderful gifts, encouraging fine motor skills, color recognition, and creativity. Think of this set as a toolbox for endless fun and learning. It supports stacking, sorting, and honing fine motor skills, suitable for various ages and abilities. Safety is paramount. These toys are certified safe and free from harmful materials, allowing children to learn and play with confidence. They also introduce early math concepts through hands-on activities. This set includes 36 colorful pegs, a foam board, and a convenient storage bag. It's an ideal learning tool for toddlers aged 2 and older, perfect for both home and school. What we like? This is an excellent tool for fostering essential developmental skills in a playful manner. If your child is at an age where they are developing fine motor control, color recognition, and problem-solving abilities, this set is ideal. It's a versatile learning aid that can be used in various educational settings. What people say. Kids can practice counting, naming colors, stacking, and grasping small objects and placing them in the holes, just to name a few. I can already tell that my kids' fine motor skills are improving even within the short amount of time we've been using this, and I definitely see us using this for many years to come. The pegs were all there, plus one extra yellow. The foam board was in perfect condition and, despite being foam, was very sturdy feeling. It is great for fine motor skills as well as sorting colors, matching colors, spatial concepts, making and following patterns. The list is endless. Number 3. Fun Little Toys Pop-Up Play Tent Camping Set. Get ready for exciting outdoor adventures with this all-in-one camping set. It includes everything your little ones need to set up their own pretend campsite and explore the wilderness. This set comes with 17 essential camping items, including a pretend stove and lamp, binoculars, and a shovel. It even features a fun pop-up tent for instant play. Setting up camp is a breeze with the collapsible play tent. It's incredibly easy to assemble and just as simple to pack away, making it perfect for on-the-go fun. The pop-up tent provides a cozy spot for imaginative play, quiet reading, or even a quick nap. It's a perfect personal space for your child's adventures. Light up the fun with the interactive toy lamp and stove that glow and light up. The included survival whistle also features a flashlight, compass, and thermometer for added excitement. Designed for children aged 3 and up, this set encourages imaginative play and exploration. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. What we like? What people say. The toy is designed with smooth edges and non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for toddlers. It features a variety of interactive buttons that play different sounds and songs, keeping children engaged. The durable construction withstands rough play, making it a long-lasting toy. Number 2. Kikidex Magnetic Drawing Board, Soft Pink. Looking for a special gift for a toddler? This magnetic drawing board is a fantastic and affordable choice for birthdays or any occasion. It offers endless fun and learning opportunities for your child. This toy is more than just fun, it helps develop essential skills. Your child can improve hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and imagination while learning letters and numbers. Designed with sturdy legs and a durable build, this drawing board is made to last. The adjustable legs ensure a comfortable drawing experience as your child grows. Safety is paramount. Made from non-toxic, BPA-free materials with rounded corners and a sealed back, this board is completely safe for your little one. Say goodbye to paper and crayon messes. This magnetic board provides an eco-friendly way for kids to create. Wiping away drawings is easy, allowing for continuous, clean fun. Let your child's creativity flow freely. This doodle board is the perfect tool for them to express themselves artistically and explore their imagination for hours. What we like. This is a wonderful choice for parents seeking a clean and engaging way for their toddlers to express their artistic side. If you're tired of the mess associated with traditional art supplies or want to encourage hand-eye coordination and imagination, this doodle board is perfect. It's a durable and safe option for budding artists. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play from toddlers. It offers multiple ways to play, keeping my child engaged for hours. Number 1. Top Bright Montessori Woodpecker Worms Catching Toy. Designed for curious 2-year-olds, this toy is a perfect introduction to learning through play. It sparks their imagination and helps them discover their connection with the world around them. As they grow, their fine motor skills need nurturing. This toy helps them gain better control over their hands and fingers, improving coordination and preparing them for future tasks. Watch them use the magnetic bird to catch worms from the tree. It's a fun challenge that offers 2 exciting ways to play, bringing a realistic nature scene to life. Parents can relax knowing this toy is a safe choice. It features bright, odorless paint and carefully sized pieces, prioritizing your child's well-being during playtime. Give the gift of immersive play and learning. This toy encourages exploration and captivates young minds with its enchanting nature theme, ideal for children aged 2 and up. What we like. This toy is a delightful way to enhance a child's fine motor skills and introduce them to nature in a fun, interactive way. If you are looking for a captivating game that helps with hand-eye coordination and offers a charming theme, this magnetic woodpecker toy is a great pick. It's designed to be both entertaining and educational for young children. What people say. It encourages fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving through simple, hands-on activities that are easy for a 2-year-old to understand. The pieces are well-sized for small hands, and the toy holds attention longer than many others we've tried. Overall, it's a durable, educational toy that supports early learning while still being fun, making it a great choice for toddlers. The wooden construction feels solid and smooth, with no sharp edges, and the colors are bright without being overwhelming. It encourages fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem-solving through simple, hands-on activities that are easy for a 2-year-old to understand. It teaches hand-eye coordination, patience, precision, and more. I love how focused my child gets when playing with this. The product itself is made of great quality considering it's been tossed and thrown around multiple times and has yet to even have a little scrape or crack on it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.